Journalism. So, what is journalism? Journalism is a important mediator of information education system, that is IEC, Information Education Communication, and BCC, that is Behavioral Change Communication. So at first we have to know what is journalism. Here we can see journalism is the production and distribution of reports on the interaction of events, facts, ideas, and people that inform society to some degree of accuracy. The word applies to the occupation, either it is professional or not, and the methods of gathering information. That means journalism is the basically production and distribution of any kind of reports and distribution the reports in the society. So here is some strategy of journalism. Basically, before produce any kind of knowledge or any kind of information to the community, I have to introduce this strategy. At first, I have to select my audience. That's why, who is your audience? And then, what type of stories will you produce? What kind of matter or what kind of stories I want to produce to my audience? Then, who will produce the content? That means the content writer. And what will your editorial guidelines look like? That means editorial tools. How often will you publish? That means the time schedule. How will you package and distribute your content? That means distribution strategy. And how will you measure success? That means evaluation. So it is the journalism strategy. You can screenshot this slide and you can prepare your note easily. And then ABCDE of journalism. This is very important. At first, A for accuracy. That means accurate information and correct choice of word should be informed to the people, and the information should be accurate and should be correct choice of word. Then before brevity, that means brave presentation of ideas and simplify the use of words. That means you inform the community people the information that you can see, so the brave presentation should be needed. Then C for coherent. That means logical arrangement of sentence. C for clarity, clearness of information. There should not be any lack of clearness. Then C for completeness. Then complete data of my information. And D for development, composition of development, my idea. Then journalism strategy should be improved more and more by me. Then E for emphasis, focus oriented on the main idea. I should not be left my main idea and go here and there. I should focus on my main idea. For example, if I focus a kind of journalism like hand washing technique, I ask the people about the strategy and about the incident. I should not focus with any other kind. I should focus my topic, that is emphasis. So what is the ABCD of journalism? A for accuracy, B for brevity, C for coherent, C for clarity, C for completeness, D for development, E for emphasis. This is very important. Then responsibility of journalism. What is responsibility as a journalist? At first, not biased writing. My writing should be not biased. I should be accurate. Then reports of what is only seen. I seen what? I report that word. If I follow this rule, then any biasness would not be present in my study. Then no exaggeration or leaving out detail. I should not be left out any other information. I should report what I see. Then reveals all truth in the story without any edit. It is very important. And then the last part of the journalism, and basically it is the most important part in our nursing strategy and as a nurse for myself. So nurse as an advisor and source of information. That means if a nurse is being interviewed by any journalist, or he can ask question as a journalist, he can be an advisor and he produce and he tells any kind of information and any kind of incidents